Welcome to Bimbo Adeoye TV. If you're watching this channel for the very first time, please subscribe to this channel for more information about the latest movie in town and the movies that are yet to come out. Please this is a movie from Iteledicon, and this movie part one is showing on Iteledicon TV. Part two is also showing on Iteledicon TV. Part three is also showing on Iteledicon TV. Part four is also showing on Iteledicon TV. Part five is also showing on Iteledicon TV as well, for you to watch the very concluding part, which is the return of Koleoso from Italy, the icon himself. You need to stay tuned to know the information about the movie Koleoso. Whenever it's dropping, we'll give you a review on it so that you can know when it's dropping. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe, like, and comment so that you can be aware when the movie is out. Thank you very much. God bless you.